gang? Back again with another video, man. Look, man, I had to clear this up, you feel me? Let me clear this up for y'all, man. So, a lot of people thinking that I've been having low oil pressure this whole time, bro. That is false, you feel me? When I first did my cam build, bro, I was good for a good 4-6 months, bro, with good oil pressure on startup, cranking up at like 60, 59, 60, and then going up to like 80, you know what I'm saying? When I mash it, 90 sometimes. It just gradually over time went down, bro. So like, I think I pulled my car back out in June, late June, early July. And I think around October, somewhere around there, oil pressure started dropping down, you feel me? So this is like something that just started, you feel me? Like I said, it's like no signs whatsoever, you feel me? But I know a lot of times stuff don't show itself, you feel me? So that's why I keep thinking that it ain't nothing major, bro. Like, I think it might be something as simple as my fuel getting dilated with my oil, bro, because when I took my oil catch can off, bro, and I smelled it, bro, that bitch smelled like straight gas, you feel me? Even my goddamn oil dipstick sometimes smell like gas, you feel me? So I don't know if like my fuel injector's leaking a lot and it's dropping down in there, or goddamn my fuel pump, you feel me? Cause like when I crank up my car, sometimes that be having like a long start, bro. Like they be acting like it don't want to start, and then when it do start, like it catch itself, you feel me? So it be like weird to explain, but like that junk do it every so often, you feel me? So I had to clear the air, man, because a lot of y'all people think like this is something that just been going on. Like as soon as I pull the car back out, no, bro, it's over time. Like over time that bitch started going down, bro. Like I used to have great oil pressure, bro. Like real talk. I don't know what happened, but something happened, bro. You feel me? So I really goddamn don't want to put no money into the car right now. So if it do break down, y'all, like Black Beast is just gonna be sent, bro. So that's why I've been trying to incorporate like me just doing regular vlogs, you feel me? Cause like when this car go down, I don't want the channel to go down too, you feel me? So like I'm trying to be proactive and act before shit do happen, you feel me? So like I'm really prepared for whatever happens, you feel me? But I'm really just informing y'all because I don't know if y'all know how deep or how stuff can really transpire, but you know, we really ain't got too much worry. But yeah, cause like I said, she gonna be sitting, bro. I told y'all Black Beast a project car. I've been saying that just because we've been having whatnot problems, but I just wish we wouldn't be going through these problems, bro. Like I really do just want to enjoy my car, bro. Like I did all this work in my apartment complex, bro. I just want to enjoy the work that I did, you feel me? And it's like I can't, you feel me? So yeah, man, that's what we be hoping for. Like some days I be cranking up my car, but like they be gonna show right oil pressure today, like what going on, like what it is, you feel me? But same token, I just take it for what it is, bro. I don't know if like something major finna come in the future or what, cause normally when something bad happens, bro, something good be right at the door knocking, you feel me? So y'all know we've been talking a lot about swaps and all that, man. I don't know if that's gonna be in the making or what, you feel me? But I really like want a whole nother car when I do that, so I can take everything, cause this car old as hell. I want to take everything, springs, rear end, shocks, every bolt, everything, bro. Like I want to take everything, bro, seats and all, insides and all, you feel me? So cause this car is 13 years old, you feel me? So you gonna run into problems when you get these cars, bro. Don't think that you not, because there's so many people that get these cars and they dog them. You don't even know how the first person before you did that car before you brought it, you feel me? So you really just gotta goddamn take a risk for real. In all honesty with this shit, man, getting an older car. Man, you do have problems with new cars too, but the lifters be feeling and all that, but it ain't really as major as what I'm going through, you feel me? Like, when I turn sometimes, I can feel something going on in the western end, the wheel and shit. But, had to get my people a show real quick, let them see that motherfucker. They started looking. But as y'all see, bro, she be doing all that shit with no problem, bro. You feel me? It could be hurting her. Who knows? It could be hurting her. We don't know. But at the end of the day, bro, as long as she can do that a little bit more for me, I'm straight. You feel me? But other than that, man, I don't be knowing, bro. I be trying to figure Black Beast out by myself, man. But like I said in several videos, bro, it just may be time to save up some money and take it to the shop and get it done the right way. Let somebody touch it and know what they doing. Because obviously, I don't, bro. I didn't go to school for this. I didn't say I was a pro at this, which y'all be thinking that I'm pro, bro. I graduated from YouTube University, bro. I watched the whole video series to put my cam in, bro, and that shit helped me out. You feel me? So, like, shit like that, bro, I can do. Like, DIYs and shit, I can do, bro. Cause I slick did this myself. Only thing I got help with, bro, was to goddamn really take the balancer off, the harmonica balance off, bro. Everything else I really did. Now that I think about it, like, I ain't really had to get help with nothing else, bro. Shout out to Reignited, bro. That's the video series that I watched, bro. You know what I'm saying? Bro got me right, man. I watched Reignited video, bro. And ever since then, bro, I know how to goddamn do another cam install, you feel me? But like, I also been thinking about getting the block so I could just, you know what I'm saying, build it up. I wish I would never sold my old block. I would have done sent that out to the machine shop already, you feel me? But you live and you learn, bro. When you got something, bro, don't ever get rid of it no matter what, bro. Like, no matter how bad it gets, bro, you don't get rid of that you know that you got, bro. Especially when you know nobody want to pay the price for it that, you know what I'm saying, you deserve. I'm starting to learn why old heads don't ever sell their old cars and shit like that. They old motors and shit, bro. That shit hard to come by. And then when you do get some, you don't know what you get. But with yours, you know what's wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? But with somebody else, bro, you taking a risk, bro. Nigga can sell you a motor and you take it back to the house and that bitch done throw it a ride. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's best to just keep your own shit, bro. Keep your own shit, bro. And in reality, bro, that's the goddamn realest thing I'm probably gonna ever tell y'all, bro. Keep y'all stuff that's valuable. Don't ever get rid of it. No matter how bad it gets, no matter how much money you need at the moment, bro, don't get rid of it, bro. Because guess what? You get rid of it, bro, you'll never get nothing back like that again. You feel me? So, that being said, man, they gonna end the video. Make sure y'all like the video, bro. And for y'all new people, man, make sure y'all subscribe, bro. I be having more new people watching the channel, but they won't subscribe. You feel me? All my people that subscribe don't watch the channel, but everybody who ain't subscribed want to watch the channel. You feel me? So make sure y'all subscribe, bro. I'll catch y'all in that video, bro. I'm out.